Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethu nabukhome komkhulu SABC Auckland Park eGoli Mbukeli naze ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
President Trump, how are you?
Njengamanje uyaqhubeka umhlangano obubhekwe ngabomvu phakathi kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa noMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump endlini zombuso eWashington DC.
Debt service costs remain high, amounting to more than 1.3 trillion over the next 3 years.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana wethule isabelomali ihlandla lesithathu esidwebe isithombe somnotho wakuleli ongekho esimweni esihle.
The suspicion of the member was positive after the infants were identified as the two stolen babies. The two suspects, aged 25 and 26, will appear in the New Brighton Magistrate Court during the week.
Kuboshwe abesifazana ababili abasolwa ngokweba ingane ezimbili esibhedlela iDora Nginza eGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba zakusihlwa igama lami noxolo mamtshali wakwamwali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qha sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Usathelekile endlini zombuso eWashington DC kwelasemelika uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa lapho ezobamba khona umhlangano noMengameli uDonald Trump. Bobabili ke oMengameli njengamanje bakhuluma nabe indaba ngaphambi komhlangano wokubhunga ngezokuvuselelwa kubudlelwane bokubambisana phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMelika. Ake siyixoshe ke bukhoma Mbukeli lesisithanga sabo.
Feel so strong they wanted to be here on behalf of South Africa, not on behalf of me. And, you know, they said, can we be here for this? Because they love the country. Ernie, do you guys want to say a couple of words? I hate to put you in this. This is tougher than sinking a 3-footer. They have, and they've stanked many 3-footers.
Thank you, Mr. President. And thanks for the honor of being here. We've known each other a long time. We have spoken. You know, we're proud South Africans. I still have my South African passport. You know, we travel with this passport, you know, and I got my visa here. So, you know, but we want to see things get better in our home country. That's the bottom line. It's been 35 years since the transition. President Ramaphosa was right in the middle of the transition time in 1990 and before that. So it's been 35 years of ANC government, and I know there's a lot of anger, you know, through the transition. There was also a lot of stuff happening in the apartheid days. You know, we grew up in the apartheid era, but I don't think two wrongs makes a right. You know, President Mandela, when he came out of prison for all that time, didn't come out with hatred, you know, and really unified our nation through sport. You know, we won the Rugby World Cup in '95.
4 times.
We won the African Nations Cup, soccer. You know, we won some majors as golfers and so forth. So what I'm trying to say is, you know, this has been a long time coming. That's why we really wanted to meet you, meet the administration, and see our way forward, because we still want to see our country flourish. You know, we've got some great things going on. Business is getting involved with government. Farmers are getting involved in local municipalities, trying to rebuild some of the infrastructure that's been decaying for a long time. So there's a lot of coexistence going on and help from a lot of areas, but I feel we need the US to push this thing through. We've got a great ally if we can have the US. It's always been an ally of South Africa for a very long time. even in the days of the war, you know, up in Angola. You know, you guys helped us. So very important for us to have your support and you know, get the change we need.
Where did you do that well? He might have done that even better than he plays golf, which is almost impossible. Johan, please.
Sorry, Mr. President, if you had to wind all of those tapes properly, you will see I'm the biggest target of that rabble-rouser. Number one for over 10 years, Mr. Malema. In fact, the first time I met him, he was in the youth league with that gentleman. And look how he's changed.
Right.
We have too many deaths, but it's across the board. It's not only white farmers, it's across the board. And we need technological help. We need Starlink at every little police station. We need drones. I actually got drones donated for the peace parks to stop elephant and rhino poaching. And his predecessor stopped the importation because he said the United States would spy on us. I mean, US basics, the ridicule. So if you can help us. Remember, sir, you and I lived in New York in the 70s. We never thought New York could be what it became. 2 commissioners, a tough mayor. We need your help to stop this awful killing. But it's across the board. Ernie's right now building a house in George. I'm building 3 cottages for my grandchildren on a farm outside Graaff-Reinet. I often go to bed without locking the door. And we have a serious problem with illegal aliens who stream across the border. And if you really look at our statistics, a lot of these murders, firstly it's unemployment and illegal aliens. And then I met Vice President Watts many years ago, the Charlie Rose show. My wife loved the book.
Mbukeli uyaqhubeka ke luyamhlangano lapha eWashington DC kanti ke futhi ke uma ubuka ophelele lapha ku Channel 404 uluhlaka lwendaba zalapha eSABC. Isabelo mali esethulwe eParliament namhlanje ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana sibeke isithombe sokuthi umnotho wezwe ubhekene nesikhathi esinzima ukubangelwa imixhantela ethinta ezamazwe omhlaba kanye nokungabibikho kozinzo ngokwezombusazwe kuhulumeni. Ungqongqoshe uGodongwana umemezele ukuthi umnotho wezwe kulindeleke ukhule ngokwesilinganiso se% elilodwa nengxenye kulonyaka.
Ungqongqoshe uGodongwana ubalule umehluko noguquke kusabelo mali sanamhlanje uma siqhathaniswa naleso asethule ngondasa esigcine singavunywanga. Lisakamuva sikhombisa ukuthi imali engena esikhwameni sikahulumeni kufanele isetshenziswe enhlelweni zakhe ezithile izoncishiswa. Nenzuzo ezoqoqwa uhulumeni kuleminyaka emithathu ezayo kubhekeke ukuthi ishode ngo61 billion yamarandi okubangelwe ukuhoxiswa kokwenyuswa kweVAT okuyintela yempahla ethengwayo. uGodongwana ukhala kakhulu ngeindleko zesikweleti esiphezulu esishaya kuzwele. Ukuzama ukunciphisa lesikweleti uhulumeni uzothatha u22 cents erandi ngalinye lemali engenayo.
Debt service costs remain high, amounting to more than 1.3 trillion over the next 3 years. Put differently, this means in the year 2025-26 alone, we are spending around 1.2 billion per day to service our debt. We must agree this is not acceptable. This is more than what we spend on frontline services such as health, the police, and basic education.
Abanye bongoti bezomnotho babona sengathi isabelo mali sanamhlanje sizothola ukwamukelwa ngaphakathi ku-GNU.
The most important is that they remained committed to fiscal consolidation. So the debt GDP ratio still peaks this year and then gradually declines. And they were again very pragmatic in terms of making small adjustments to various revenue item lines and spending item lines. And so I think they've dealt in a very sensible way with the challenges that confronted them.
Kuleminyaka emithathu ezayo uhulumeni uhlela ukusebenzisa imali engaphezulu kuka-1 trillion wamarandi eyinhlelweni zokwakhiwa kwenqalazinda okubalwa kuyo ukutholakala kogesi owenele, ukuthuthukiswa kukaloliwe nokuthuthwa kwempahla nohlelo lwamanzi ahlanzekile.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe azakalise imibono yawo yahlukene mayelana nesabelo mali esethulwe ngqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana namhlanje.
That a lot of money is going into infrastructure development and job creating infrastructure projects.
Akona into sinobasithi sidanile besiyazi kakade uba lo mbuso ANC umbuso wokuthengisa usithengisile ngabantu lo mbuso uyaqhubeka usithengisa.
This is an austerity budget because even where they said we were going to put so much, then worry, but we're no longer putting so much.
Isabelo mali esethulwe ungqongqoshe wezezimali ngingasibiza ngokuthi isabelo mali esithi sebenza ngemali ekhona.
Urhulumente uxakene udibene nembila zithutha kuba iminyaka le ubesitya imali yabarhafi. Ngoku ingxaki iphelile imali phaa ekoyini apha adla ngoyiba khona.
Kukho into ezintathu ezithethwe ngumphathiswa namhlanje ezibalulekileyo kakhulu. Okokuqala kukuba isazawunyuswa ibudget xa kuthelekiswa nonyaka uphelileyo ngoba besinexhala into okokubana ayizunyuka ngokubonakalayo ibudget le yesithathu.
CATM asonelisekanga yile budget ebekiweyo namhlanje. Siyayifuna ukuyithetha ukuba kungenzeka ukuba abantu abaninzi elizweni bayavuya kuba at least ikhona ibudget, kodwa sifuna baphonononge ukuba iinkcukacha zithini zale budget ithulwe nguminister namhlanje.
Mbukeli okwamanje sathi nje kequnga ngapha ngaseyitolo kanti bangabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
if a witness asks for legal representation in order to understand the document that they are being made to sign and a legal representative is said to not be present.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase Free State iqhubekile nokulalela isicelo sika Murwadi Cholota njengoba efuna kunqunywe ngokuthi ingabe lenkantolo ikulungele na ukuqula icala lenkohlakalo elibhekene naye nasolwa nabo. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli isikwamukele mongabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi njengamanje uyaqhubeka umhlangano ububhekwe ngabomvu phakathi kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa noMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump ezindlini zombuso eWashington DC. Mbukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Kubashwe abesifazane ababili abasolwa ngokweba ingane ezimbili esibhedlela iDoranginza eGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape.
Imimoya iphezulu ngumsindo okhatshwa kunxunguphala bekwafuna nempendulo. Ezintsapho zithi azikakholelwa nangoku zindaba abazixelwe sisibhedlele ukuba abantwana balahleke ngobusuku ngolwesibini. Kuvakala ukuba uNogada ebehleli kwicala abantwana abakhulelweyo uzamile ukuwanqanda lamanina ngethuba efuna kungena ewadini bephethe ibhegi. Kodwa aye amqhatha nakwinkolelo ukuba beyoncancisa abantwana.
Khona ipicture yomuntu obathathileyo ekuthiwa ubafake ebhegini waphuma naye ngumuntu apha othe waswelekelwa ngamawele wakhe ubeleke amawele asweleka. So uqonde ke ngoku makathathe lethu but abantwana ubathathe enesari.
Kuthiwa le ntombazana ibijikisiwe nase-security apha egeyitini. Abayazi ke iPietersburg lo bhaka abayazi iphinde yangena njani ngaphakathi khange bayibone.
Abaphathi besisibhedlele koyinogada bajonge ushicilelo lwe-CCTV nalapho bonakala lenye nina lisebenzisa umnyango ophuma ohlukileyo. lomba uswe emapoliseni ukuze kwenziwe uphando.
Isebe liyaqinisekisa kuba imveki ezimbini nebezithe zalahleka kwisibhedlele saseDoranginza ngokuhlwa izolo zithe zafumaneka zisempilweni. Ngoku lomba unikezelwe kwizandla zamapolisa ukuze aqhube nophando.
The two suspects, aged 25 and 26, will appear in the New Brighton Magistrate Court during the week.
Kuba abahandle babili bavele phambi kwenkundla New Brighton kule veki kwizityholo zokuxhwila. Dingulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Ufakazi wesibili wombuso odabeni lwenkontileka yetshebo yayegidi engama-255 zamarandi utshela inkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State ukuthi ingxoxo yey'nsuku ezimbili ababanayo noMurwati Cholota abazange bayiqopha.
Ufakazi wesibili wombuso utshela inkantolo ukuthi uhlobo lwezobuchwepheshe elisebenzisa ukuqopha ingxoxo yabo noCholota alizange luyiqophe. Uthi ingxoxo ababanayo noCholota yasingathwa ngendlela efanele. Cholota akazange asatshiswe. Ummeli wakhe uCholota uthi ukunganikezwa kwakhe uCholota ithuba lokuba abe nommeli ngaphambi kokuba ahlonywe ngemibuzo kusho ukuphula amalungelo akhe.
If Major General, a FBI agent is said to be present so that a witness can feel comfortable, and then that FBI agent is excused, in the mind of the witness, not in our common sense, in the mind of the witness, that is torturous.
Umseshi uphinde waveza ukuthi uCholota akazange aphoqa ukuba bandakanye lowo wayengundunankulu wase-Free State uAce Mahashule. Uthi inhloso yokuhlangana naye kwakuwukuthi kutholwe istatimende kuye futhi kuqinisekiswe nokuthi uCholota uzizwa ekhululekile.
There is evidence in the case docket that implicates her, and that is why we then, from a witness statement, we turn to a warning statement after she did not give her cooperation as a witness for the state. And that is why the warning statement was then entered into to inform her of her rights.
Kusenjalo ijaji kulenkantolo lihlehlise icala lithinta bonke abasolwa labe selithi ukuze inkantolo kwabasolwa bangathinteke esicawini esiqhubekayo kumbe eqolo kubo labasolwa. Icala elithinta bonke abasolwa lihlehliselwe umhlazizini insuku Nhlangulane kanti isicawu esicubungula ukuthi inkantolo ikulungele yini ukuqulisa uCholota icala sizoqhubeka kusasa.
Izangoma zezulu zithi isifundazwe iWestern Cape nezinye ingxenye zezwe zizoqhubeka nokuhlaselwa amakhaza ashubisa umkantsha. Zithi ke akhona namathuba emvula alindeleke kulesi sifundazwe kanti abahlala emgwaqeni bazobhekana nomzima kulezi insuku.
Imozulu ebandayo nenethayo iqhelekile kweli leKapa hoqo ngelixa lonyaka. Kodwa ke bakho abo bafana nabantu abaphansi kwebhulorho apha eGreen Point nabazifumana bengenako okushushu ukufudumeza amathumbu, impahla ezifudumeleyo nengubo zokwambatha ngexa bethwaxoka nobomi ingqele. Abanye babo bathi bagxothwe kwiziko labo bangenamakhaya kuba behlulakele ukulandela imigaqo.
We were inside, you make one mistake and then you outside. You see, I went to my kids' birthday. I slept there last night, the Sunday night. I eat there, I sleep there, and when I come back, I was out.
Iziko lenkonzo zomozulu kwelizwe loMzantsi Afrika lithi lenqele nemozulu exubayeleyo ulendeleke kuba iqhube kuthutyana ngolusuku.
For Friday into the weekend, our minimum temperatures, especially on Friday, is still probably going to be on the colder side. However, our maximums are then increasing quite significantly.
Phakathi kwabahlali bakho abo bathi bazibona bembeswe ngamaqhwa kuba nako kaloku kungafinyezwa inkonzo ezingundoqo kwindawo abahlala kuzo.
Where I'm coming from in Bonteheuwel, the roads just flooded. I'm talking about the drains that people that the municipality is talking about. They're going to fix and whatever, but they're not living up to what they say.
Ndingumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibikile babukile emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ke sibet simi kanjani zoqophela ke nje mbukeli zikhona ke leza imvula engathene ngasho nje ukuthi umkhemezelo ethanda ukuthi nje iqinise kakhulukazi ngempela khona ke entshonalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal kanti ke futhi na kusasa singaphile futhi kulindele nje ukuthi izulu likhemezele kakhulukazi empela masibheke khona ke empumalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal Kwanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke siphuma laphana kwa South African Weather Service simi kanje ukhona ke lo moya ke onamandla ongadala lona kulwandle baligubha amagagasi kakhulukazi ngempela masibheke khona ke laphana ke entshonalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo empumalanga Kapa liyovala khona ke esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal kanti ke nakusasa kusisixwayiso esifanayo kanti ke amazinga okushisa phansi kusehla ikakhulukazi empela masibheke khona ke Kapa lodumo liyabanda ngo10 bande njalo ke nakhona ke aphengitheni ngo5 kanti la kubuza ngempela ukuthi ngubonga ke laphana koGoli koSoweto kaNdonga ziyaduma liyabanda ngo7 bande njalo ke nakhona ke eMelo ngo3 na libande njalo ke nakhona ke eLarry Smith qhaqhisa amazinga ngempela ngo3 kanti ke masibheke nje khona ke laphana eMgungundlovu lisabanda ke njalo ngo8 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje lifudumale ke eThekwini ngo15 bande njalo ke nakhona ke Gqeberha ngo13 kanti ke kusasa lisabanda ke izulu kakhulukazi ngempela khona ke Kapa lodumo singalindela nje u19 lipholile ke aphengitheni ngo20 bande njalo ke Goli koSoweto kaNdonga ziyaduma ngo17 kanti lithanda ukuthi lifudumale ke ngosina kanti masibheke nje eMnambithi lisabanda izulu ngo18 bande njalo ke nakhona ke laphana kuMbali ngo18 kanti ke Richards Bay ku22 masibheke nje khona ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi koWestville singawulindela nje u21 kanti lisabanda ke futhi nakhona ke Gqeberha singawulindela nje u19 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihla mina ke ngintombi kaMadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe
Mbukelo benobusuku obuhle usale kahle